Welcome to a new episode of the Immigration Law Podcast. I am attorney Fabio Losgerbo. Today we are discussing the legal effects of a Schengen Information System, or SIS, alert on the issuance of an Italian residence permit by examining an important judgment of the Regional Administrative Court for Emilia-Romagna, published on July 1st, 2026, issued in General Register Case number 813 of 2022. The case concerned a foreign national who had applied for regularization under Italy's undeclared work legalization procedure. However, the police headquarters of Modena rejected the application because the applicant was the subject of a Schengen Information System alert entered by the French authorities for the purpose of refusing admission into the Schengen area. The applicant argued that the Italian authorities should have assessed his personal circumstances instead of automatically relying on the alert issued by another member state. The court rejected the appeal and reaffirmed an important legal principle. According to the judges, an SIS alert issued for the purpose of refusing entry generally constitutes a legal obstacle to the issuance of a residence permit. For that reason, the police headquarters decision is considered a mandatory administrative act. The authorities are not required to carry out an independent assessment of the applicant's personal dangerousness, nor are they expected to review the legality or correctness of the alert entered by the foreign state. The judgment also highlights an important exception under European law. A member state may still decide to issue a residence permit despite the existence of an SIS alert, but only in the presence of serious grounds, particularly humanitarian reasons or obligations arising under international law. In such cases, the state intending to issue the permit must first consult the member state that entered the SIS alert. This decision confirms a well-established principle of immigration law. An SIS alert is not merely an administrative record. It produces direct legal consequences and may prevent the issuance of a residence permit in Italy. Only in exceptional situations expressly provided for by law can that obstacle be overcome. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Immigration Law Podcast. I am attorney Fabio Losgerbo, and I look forward to welcoming you to our next episode covering the latest court decisions, legislative developments, and key issues in Italian immigration law.